Welcome, it's denome. In this video, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and this recent sell-off and what you should actually do about this one. So I do think that this is a massive buying opportunity right from the start. And I'm not just saying that because I'm bullish. Let's take a look at the chart here. So you see the sell-off that happened here in November and this one that happened here on early December. And this recent one just happened yesterday or today. And just looking at the volume, the selling pressure or the selling volume is just going lower with each drop. And this one, it's honestly, it's not even a real volume in my opinion. So it just looks like the sellers are getting tired of selling. So there's not a lot of sellers in the market anymore. So for that reason, I do believe that we're actually gonna head over to the all-time highs from here. So obviously I was wrong. I thought that from this triangle we could actually go and break the 21,000, but this actually broke to the downside. And from here I do believe that we're actually gonna head over to the all-time highs. Just looking at this volume, it just to me it screams opportunity in my opinion, but of course I could be wrong here, so be careful. But personally, what I've actually been doing is I have been buying this sell-off. So a lot of coins have actually went down a lot since yesterday. So you see minus 10% on some coins here. So I have actually bought this coin right here, SXP. It was down to $0.83, and that's pretty much the lowest point it has been. And it's just one of those coins that whenever I see that price, I could say I'm a sucker for SXP at these price levels. It's just the tokenomics are at least decent, and yeah, it's owned by Binance, and they're gonna integrate the swipe cards in the Binance website this month. Let's see if they will actually do it or not. But anyway, a lot of bullish news are coming to swipe soon. So this is the coin that I've actually been buying from this sell-off. So that's just me. There's a lot of coins out there that you can actually buy. Even Orion, massive discount, 17% down. But again, it had a really good pump already, so I would be a little bit careful. But if you have been looking for a buying opportunity for Orion, that could be a buying opportunity. Just with Orion, you have to understand that they are also involved in the Polkadot ecosystem. So Orion, they are actually partnered with Pulse, which is the Polka starter coin, and they have a partnership with Orion. And now they just announced another partnership with Orion, so you can actually have an fiat on and off ramp on Orion terminal when that actually goes live. So those are pretty much the coins that I was looking at this dump. But anyway, a lot of good opportunities here, and once Bitcoin reaches or goes beyond 20k, I do think that Bitcoin will go parabolic from that point on. So I do believe that this is probably the last moment to get into Bitcoin if you are interested into getting into Bitcoin or into alts. A lot of alts have bottomed, like CRO. By the way, CRO, actually it did not bottom, so I was wrong on CRO. I will just cover this quickly. Is that CRO actually made another low here, but it had a massive pump or a pullback already from that. So it did make another low here at 0.55, and the resistance line or the support line, I mean, is 0.55 in my opinion. So it almost touched that. So it still has a little bit downside if it wants to go that low, but that's pretty much the lowest I can see CRO go. And a lot of people have already made their predictions for CRO, and I'm not going to go into that one right now, but this is another coin that I'm quite bullish on. And I'm happy to accumulate more at these price levels. I don't know what you want to do, but just wanted to give this update for what has been happening in the markets. And just something that I'm actually doing is that I have been planning the perfect altcoin exit strategies. So I have back tested a lot of different strategies. When is the perfect time to sell your altcoins whenever they are pumping? So I have done a lot of research. As you can see, I have a full Excel sheet, and I did this during the weekend, and I will give you the results coming this week, maybe tomorrow's video. So look out for that one as well. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video.